presents for Mama? Meron po siyang sa aking presents, birthday and Mother's Day. Let's go open it. Open na po namin. Yan. Oh! Look! Ate Taya, give me $20! Thank you, Ate. And this one. Oh, you made this for Mama? This Mama? Say, Merry Chris, I love you, Mama. Oh, my name. And then, this is Mama. And then, this one pa, oh. What's this? My name again. And then, Daddy's name. And then, Rose, and Thea, and Trixie, and Tiffany. Then, open natin. What inside? Wow! Say, I love you, Mommy. I love you. And then, who is this? Drawing po niya yan, oh. What is this? Who's this? Thea and Mommy. Yay! I love you, baby. Thank you. So sweet.